also dead from the poison. So this trap is not only for monitoring but also to reduce population.
Agora ele há uma certa química. Química me causa amor, causa hanemba. Quando se vai consumo, se o consumo nos bem não é nada, se mate. Também uma coisa, lá se ele lá os padres para fazer a população, mas a falar monitoring, nós reduz população. Quando itu last week kita nalar, kita monitor oh lalar dari memang apa yang latar kita nalar. Ini mus reduce population tapi mate.
Now, we said that the sugar is a food for the flies and making the males very sexy. But this is not enough. We don't want the males to be sexy. We want the male to be super sexy.
Good. Agora ini ada deh, mas biar ada, oh hanya deh, pak aman sih deh, kita karak deh, yang aman sih nanti seksi, tapi itu laku itu seksi, kita karak seksi deh, dia kan super seksi.
So we are
kalau dia buat itu
we are thinking what can make the male super sexy, and you know, when we go to party and we want to meet women and men, so we put nice clothes and we put aftershave, so we will be very attractive. And we are looking what is the best aftershave to give for the flies, so they will be very, very sexy.
Agora, ini element kalau kita bahas face trauma kita karak, kita tu kata super sexy itu, dari situ uniform, tantai dalam itu tantai sih. Apa pun buat sana para kita karena super sexy. Agora kalau lalat nih, saya dah tahu pak dia super sexy.
So we were looking and we have found out that the ginger smell is very attractive to the female fly. So we are adding to the flies ginger oil, and then the female, ooh, she gets crazy.
You good nih. Agora, anda sudah buka tene, sudah buka, tu ikut sudah tene, sudah buka hand ni memang sudah buka para lalan super sex ni, sudah konsep hetan maka idea, nanti idea, anda sudah koti be all maksud mina be idea ni, sudah kau orang itu mau hand ni.
You know what ginger?
Yes. Sudah kau orang itu ni, tambah sudah idea ni boring ni. Ini sudah konformnya mati sah, bawa lagi tu, sesuatu sah, ladia kos, ini sudah tahu tak?
It's true. Any questions?
Any questions? Perguntar mo?
One question.
Yes.
How do you put oil on the...
Now the oil we don't put on them. The oil we put in the room where they stay, and this is like in the air. So it's like you know, it's in the air. It's not it's not put on them. It's evaporated.
Quando be alien be boli be alien sila sahamu ko be sir kon hare ne be mak sir musik la heren ma sir re kare na spat kus kon sir para be maksud be kon sir form kare same sir isi kusro musik kar buat heren musik sorry she's asking what is the color, right? When the minute of time becomes adult, will the color be still be with the adult or it should be?
Yeah, the color is in the adult. Sometimes we can see very quickly, but sometimes we don't see because this color is fluorescent. You don't see in light. You need to put fluorescent light, and then the flies are shining. So you don't see, but it's there.
Yeah, coordinate hell na fat mo adult to share. May alam mo itahare social para tunota. Kamanya itu fluorescent itu, atau itu lah tahar langsung saja lano saja, kamu nak hati ni. Tapi itu sudah berlampu, itu kalau leno kalau itu pun hati.
This we put in the light.
How you get this color?
We buy.
So.
Now, all this of course costs a lot of money. All the aeroplane and the food and the people that are working here and the monitoring and the traps. The government support most of this project because the government in the economic she wants a lot of export, so she support most of this, but the farmers also support this project, pay for this project.
Agora quando uma boa tira ne custa barato, custa gasta orçam barato. Gasta babe, ai moro para lá sucirar ne bagaimana be serviço instalment turismo. Também o governo suporta o projeto de suporte deles, incluímos todos nós também para. Kami sendiri governo support tambah, tiga baik ekonomi. Governo kita ini produk ekspor dan support tambah. What is the life cycle of this duration?
Duration, very good question. You can see here. Okay, egg 3 days, egg 3 days. Larva 1 week.
Yeah,
So 10 days. 10 day pupa. So 20 days. 10 day adult until he can live in. So 130 days until he can live. This is in good temperature. In cold temperature more time. In hot temperature less time. It's 25 days.
Ne duração é 25 dias. Isso não é 3 dias de tolo, 6 dias, depois de uma semana, sai one, depois logo sai pupa. Pupa quando tiver logo sai adulto. Aí bem filha faz para condição temperatura. What
30 days average.
Average mostly rather better or 30 days.
We will talk about it in classroom, okay? Again, and I will show you other methods of controlling population of this pest. Now we are going with the bus to, and you have to see the honeybee.
This is called sobre in class. E depois nós temos uma método para usar para controlar peste. Any question?
Yes, question.
Teacher, this is student has a question.
Yes, please.
Hanya pergunta saja. Agora, colhe kona balala ne barak los. Agora, metode sira kita agora na halone ne. Ia laboratório ne ma kokoka pertence a todos nós ia hoturet. Colhe kona ba kar test sirna. Maksudnya ia todos ni hotka. Bazia ba fatin laboratório ne ma khususnya ma ba bache.
Okay. He's asking about the station of research or the laboratory.
Yes.
In Arava, only this place is doing the research or only has a laboratory, or all the farmers in Arava also have the same place like
in Arava, in Israel, we have 5 or 6 different research stations. Every station is located in different place. So the research, when we research how to grow pepper, it's how to grow pepper here in Chatzeva. So we have one more research station in Yotveta. So this how to grow in Yotveta area. Because if I will tell you how to grow tomato in Germany, it's not good for you to grow here. It's not the same. You need to research where you live, in the area where you grow.
So the in Arava, in all 5 Mosab, only here.
Yes, no, have something in Faran, little place, because Faran is little different, and have little place in Neotatikar, and have place in Antioch.
Agora centro be pesquisa centro laboratório se é nele Israel lá. Também mas quando pesquisa babe pesquisa né filha fala ba side me tá de pure a área né. Por exemplo, ele que se foca pa ai one me be foca ni ba usaha pura atau sama ai mana cerita pura. Ya ini aku sih one year.